Hi, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? Today is the New Year, Chinese New Year, and I'm just here being bored at home. I thought I would go to get some Chinese food, but Chinese restaurants are closed today. But at least I got some packages came in, so at least I got to do some unboxing. So it should be fun. And this one is from Ted Baker, London. Well, while I'm opening this box, to be honest, I can't tell you why I bought this, because sometimes you are searching the web, it just impulse buy. So, but let's see how it turned out. A little bit bigger than I expected. Let's remove the plastic. First, should remove the box. They do pack this really well. As you can see, they have this plastic and then paper to protect the bag. Let's remove this handle cover also. Nice. So this is the bag that I'm unboxing today. It's from Ted Baker, London. I believe they call this their recycled PU Holdall. Basically, they use the recycled polyurethane material. So I thought I would give it a try whenever people say they use recycled material. And some of you may know that I just love this kind of tote shaped bag. So it was originally about $300, but I think I got it on sale for about around $100 for this bag. I like the details on the handle. It's kind of this grayish, desaturated light blue color. The bag itself, to be honest, I couldn't quite tell that it's not real leather. I would say it almost look like real leather. Like, I would say about 70–80% look alike to leather. So I think they are doing a good job to imitate the feel of the leather and the texture of the leather. So let me open up this bag. So I guess looking at the size of this bag, you can say this is another great bag for work or for travel, like as a carry-on bag, because it does have this crossbody strap that you can hook onto the side for easy carry. If you are like me, like I would also bring a backpack with me, so a lot of packing material. This is great because I'm going to move soon, so I'll keep them and use it to pack when I move. Whew! What a big pile of paper. So let's look at the inside. It's a giant big hole inside the bag. It has this really nice zipper pull for this zipper pocket. It's funny though, because the pocket itself is actually really shallow and small, just big enough to put like man-sized wallet, I would say. And then on the other side, it has two slip pockets, that one probably big enough for phone and the other probably is for random stuff. The lining is 100% cotton, so it's a rather simple hold or tote bag kind of thing, but I do like the design of it. Like, it's simple, but also it has these extra details at the center. And sometimes when I buy a bag, I also think about the durability of this bag. For example, this handle is stitched together all the way down with this webbing to distribute the weight when you carry heavy stuff. I know some of the bag, the handle stop here, so it would put a lot of weight pulling the top of the bag. So I like this kind of design that they go all the way down, so it helps to distribute the weight better, so that when you carry heavy stuff, the bag will last a little longer. So I like that this bag's kind of big enough that you could carry almost like you carry a stylish pillow. So this kind of material is basically, some people call them vegan leather, some people call them faux leather, but this one seems to be thicker than the one you find on Telfar shopping bag. I don't know if it would be more durable or not. Taking a closer look, I don't see any scratches so far. I like the material though. This recycled faux leather material is really soft and thick, but it's not too heavy, so it's a good size bag. But unfortunately, the bag doesn't have fit at the bottom, so you will have to wipe it off if the ground is dirty, or maybe not put it on the ground. So this would be just today's quick unboxing, and I'd like to share this new purchase with you. Some random impulse buy because of Chinese New Year coming out, and I miss my family. So I hope you enjoy seeing something different today, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.